Hey there, my fellow geese. Welcome back to another episode of Monster Hunter World. Today is gonna be the first capture quest, and as you can see, the first capture will be against none other than everyone's favorite bird up. Now let's do this. That was a terrible start. Now that is a good start.
You need to wear it down first. The scout flies will hide once the fight breaks out.
Okay.
Don't forget that.
Pecking. It's always the pecking. Ow! Okay, this one actually fights back. His footprints. Chat level up on him. Also a bear out here too. Oh, no. I'm gonna use that rock on me. And I guess I'm not using my true charge slash on you. My onset. Let's see if I can get in that tree. I did! Wow. I didn't thought that was gonna miss. Okay, another one. 73. Let's get the big money. That's the good stuff right there. Don't you give me that sass. Okay. Alright. Let me just mount this guy. Let's get the head. That good damage. 46. Bah!
Okay, you've got your target on the ropes.
Oh.
Now put down a trap and capture it. Now, keep hitting it with train
Bam.
until the effect kicks in.
Bam! I did not think this would be
materials from a captured monster.
that short, honestly.
However, you will receive more rewards than usual once the quest is over.
This is shiny. Oh, it's right there. That honestly went really fast. I didn't think I'd kill him that fast. Oh my goodness. Three minutes. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Like and sub for more. Thank you guys, and have a hawktastic day.